The beginning, leaving home. This is myself for the first time. आपको पे से the terminal 2 of लोकप्रिय गोपीनाथ बरदলৈ International Airport, Assam Guwahati. Stop yapping, nigga. See you on the other side.
She moves like a map with no borders.
Damn, this is Assam, bro.
A whisper caught in the wind. I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin. She's chasing skies I've never named while I stay in my lane.
Hi.
But something in the way she
Fucking Indira Gandhi.
keeps pulling at my chain.
I think my last swingum here because apparently it's illegal to have a swingum in Singapore. थोड़ा सा temperature has dropped.
Keeps pulling at my chain. Oh,
It's our flight going towards the Singapore Changi Airport.
traveler, you carry the
I left the
sun.
Singapore Changi Airport 3 घंटे की नींद और 2 घंटे का मूवी देख के. Aesthetic तो है.
In your stride, leaving behind.
Changi Airport इतना बड़ा होता है कि इसको देखने के लिए यूनिट स्पेसिफिकली 5 to 6 hours. but अभी हमने मेन एयरपोर्ट देखा ही नहीं है.
What I hold inside if I don't ask your name today.
We got the private transport finally after 12 hours of traveling.
Any comments?
Guys,
No
इसका
comments,
इसका
but-
वीडियो में
If a double-decker bus crashes into us, to die by your side is such a heavenly way to die.
I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance. She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak.
ये AQI क्या हुए है?
She writes down cities on her wrist and dreams she'll never.
Took a bath. This is breakfast we नहीं किया and now it's time to go out and look for some place to have lunch.
Never keep.
Walking amidst the city. We for lunch we are going to a hawker store. हॉकर स्टोर क्या होता है कि सिंगापुर में इट्स लाइक अ फास्ट फूड दुकानों का चेन होता है बट इट्स जस्ट एन अपग्रेडेड वर्जन.
I sip my coffee, miss my cue.
It's clean and like minimalistically aesthetic.
In languages I can't speak.
अभी we took a bus that will drop us in Little India. वहाँ से we will take another bus या the metro train to Bayfront. जहाँ से we can see the Marina Bay Sands and our city view.
We dropped the Little India. From Little India we have decided spontaneously to take the metro
क्या अंग्रेजी
to Bayfront. So Bayfront से just 250 meters away the Marina Bay Sands. So apparently for using the metro aka the MRT station you need to get that like card for each person that is 10 Singaporean dollars. That approximately goes to be 5,000. तो हमने डिसाइड किया कि वो छोड़ दे आज के लिए, बाद में हम जाएंगे definitely. But we came back to our original plan of like taking the second bus. So the next bus arrives in 2 minutes.
Change of plans again कि उस specific route में बस नहीं मिल रहा था इसलिए we booked the taxi.
This is technically the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. Marina Bay Sands के नीचे फोटो खींच के रात हो गया. ओए सैड कैरेक्टर. Yeah, give your reviews on the Marina Bay Sands.
मरीना बे सैंड्स इज मैंने ही डिजाइनिंग दिया था गोविंदा के साथ. मैंने पूरा डिजाइनिंग आर्किटेक्चर से लेके हर एक चीज मैंने दिया था. इवन नाम भी मैंने दिया था.
उसके बाद नींद खुल गया उसके बाद.
नहीं उसके बाद हाँ शायद से.
So fun fact कि this bridge is called the Helix Bridge because it was made in the shape of a DNA. डबल हेलिक्स के फॉर्म में. If you can see that, engineering marvels. Like honestly speaking, I am overwhelmed इस position में खड़े होके. We have the Marina Bay Sands पीछे. Then this is the Art and Science Museum. City, the skyline across the river, and आगे हम जा रहे to the Merlion. It's 8:30 p.m. at night, and like I feel I haven't have enough of the night. लास्ट में मर्लायन हमने कैंसिल कर दिया क्योंकि काफ़ी लेट हो गया था. एंड नाउ वी रिटर्न टू द होटल. अभी हम निकले हैं टू हैव समथिंग फॉर डिनर. बाकी देयर इज अ स्लाइट चेंज इन प्लान क्योंकि हमको परसों यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज जाना था, बट इट्स शिफ्टेड टू टुमारो. इसलिए कल मॉर्निंग 8:30 को निकल के वी हैव टू गो टू यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियोज. एंड ये चलो लेट्स हैव समथिंग फॉर डिनर. So done with day one. It was a Dora the Explorer kind of day. Good night. See you tomorrow at the Universal Studios.
Good morning, it's day 2.
The morning of day 2, and let's have some breakfast.
The club isn't the best place to stalk a lover, so the gym is where I go. That is where I spy on you when you box. I pretend I box also.
The outfit for day 2.
Weird obsession with the shape of your body. This creepy song is all about that. Like your hands knows the shape of your ears, it's on throat and the shape
See you in the next location.
of your mouth. And now I'm singing like, what size are your boxing gloves? Show me your handshake.
Hold on, what? Excuse me.
Come on now, just let me see. I may be crazy, don't mind me.
Say, boy, your head is messed up. Don't
Ding a ding a ding a ding. The kid me would never believe this. The Universal Studios, ladies and gentlemen. This was the dream of a kid 10 years ago. Bumblebee. Then we have Optimus Prime. And we have Megatron. The name is Optimus Prime. And this is the first ride of the day. Oh, what's the name of the ride, bro? I don't know. But let's see. Yes, bro, spaghetti. Have you ever seen a minion making a video about minions? Have you ever seen Now you can see. Wow. No videos allowed, so see you after the ride. Now, on to the next ride, which is a roller coaster called the Enchanted Airways. Now we are at the waiting time 50 minutes. एक वो खत्म भी हो गया आपका. Just holding it for aesthetics. इतने सारे घोड़े पकोड़े हैं यहाँ पे. उनके लिए we are the घोड़ा पकोड़ा. I don't think आज लंच होगा हमारा.
Guys, tell me, lunch plus dinner को क्या बोलते हैं? दिनेश, आज हम दिनेश करेंगे.
You will get wet, possibly soaked. A man doesn't fear getting wet. एक ही लाइन है अभी. वो नहीं, 2 लाइन है. 3 अगर अपना वाला काउंट कर ले तो.
It's not about how many lines there are. Now hold up. It's about कितने lines है.
बहुत है यहाँ पे.
खुद की मौत के बारे में सोचते हो आप?
ये सब छोटे मोटे चीज़ों पे हम नहीं जाते, हम तो जाते हैं उसमें रोलर कोस्टर। 3 गुना लखान देना पड़ेगा। नेक्स्ट राइड।
मेरा बैटरी लो हो गया इसलिए बीच में कुछ वीडियोस नहीं लिया, डोंट माइंड।
नाइस एम्बियंस। यार मेगन फॉक्स मिलेगा क्या? मेगन फॉक्स।
Tonight, we steal the moon!
Going back. I don't fear death.
We did the roller coaster, but phones were not allowed due to obvious reasons. कुछ भी तो नहीं था।
Egyptians ने कहा था, a person who thinks all the time has nothing to think about except thoughts. हमारे अभी से उठाने अभी
कि यहाँ पर जो आर्किटेक्चर होगा बहुत धीरे से बना होगा, बट हियर यू कैन सी देयर
जाहिर है इट्स लाइक अ बुलबुल है भाई, खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा अंदर से। कैन यू सी मी? Only ride where we came for the second time.
लास्ट में 1-2 राइड्स रह ही गया, बट इट्स ऑलरेडी 6:30 PM तो वी हैड टू रिटर्न। फ्यूचर में कभी फिर से आऊँगा, तब तक अलविदा यूनिवर्सल स्टूडियो सिंगापुर।
Day 2 के डिनर के बाद आई एम गेटिंग सम स्टफ्स एट द 7-Eleven. See you tomorrow.
Such a classic Batman coded apartment. Damn. ये पैरासोरोलोफोस तो ठीक है, बट
आपने कभी येती को देखा है?